Good day everyone, I am from ABS support team. Today I will showcase how to make reservation with City Ledger. To make a reservation, go to Homepage and at the General section, click Reservation. This will bring you to the reservation calendars where you can see all the rooms and their status. We will reserve room 103 for the 23rd of August. To do this, right-click on the cell and click Make Reservation. Here you need to enter all the essential details before proceeding. Now, choose the account type as City Ledger, then select the type of City Ledger. We will use Booking.com for this example. After you fill in all the data, click Done. The payment type should be City Ledger, click Done. Here you can print the reservation ticket. After that, click Done and you can see that the reservation is successfully placed. Thank you and I hope you've learnt something from this tutorial video.